Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class we will be discussed with a new chapter, that is the direct speech and indirect speech. I was learning you that part of speech is 8 types and that was already we have completed. And today we will be learn that is direct speech and indirect speech. Let's get started. Direct speech and indirect speech, it is the two words, and before it started the class, everyone mind in the question arise, that is the what is narration. And narration is that is the actually it defined able only the speaker, and it is the act of reporting the words of a speaker is called the narration. And in the way of the representation of narration, that is the two type, and one is the direct speech and another is indirect speech. What is direct speech? First up we have to know, then we will be learn how it will be convert into the direct speech to indirect speech. But first of all we have to know about what is the words meaning, that is the direct speech. Okay, the actual words of a speaker are quoted at it. The actual words, what is the speaker wanting to say, that is quoted, and it is always enclosed with a inverted comma. It is the inverted comma and it is always enclosed with this comma, and it is called the direct speech. Okay, John and Yogesh examples. We take one example, then we will be know what is the direct speech in actual. That is, John and Yogesh are two friends. Okay, John and Yogesh are two friends. They are conversation with each other, and it will be the direct speech. Okay, John is Yogesh is studying, and John is coming into, at that time John is coming, and John is telling to the Yogesh, what are you doing? And Yogesh said, I am studying. It is the two sentence. If we will be convert into the direct speech, this is the direct speech. Yogesh said in the inverted comma, I am studying. It is the direct speech. Okay, let's take or one example to make even clear. Rajat and Lina, they are also two friends. Rajat tell to Lina, which color skirt you wearing? Then Lina answering, I am wearing, that is white skirt. So Lina said, if we will be convert into the Rajat and Lina's conversation into the direct speech, that is the Lina said, I am wearing white skirt. It is enclosed. It is the reporting speech, and it is enclosed with the inverted comma. It is called a direct speech. Okay, it is the reporting speech. Whole is the reporting speech. It is the reporting verb. Okay, it is only the direct speech. Then we will be moved to the indirect speech. What is the difference between them? Then we will be learning. Okay, what is indirect speech? Indirect speech is this, that is the actual word of a speaker or transport said or written in a simple language. If the actual word is directly saying, that is called direct speech. If the actual word are transport into the simple language, that is called the indirect speech. Direct speech is this, that is Lina said I am wearing a white skirt. But indirect speech, if you will tell, Lina said that she wearing a white skirt. It is the conservation. It is the convert of the direct to indirect speech. But for indirect speech is this actual word of a speaker or transport or said or written, both in a written in a simple language. If the direct speech is converted into the simple language, that is called the indirect speech. Indirect speech, why we needed it? First of all, we have to learn that is why we needed it. If direct speech is complete every words and so, but why we need the indirect speech, then we will be learning. Avoid confusion while using direct speech while reporting. While anything reporting and speech, that is the time of confusion. To avoid the confusion of this, so we use the indirect speech. Direct speech, in direct speech we tell every language in complication, but in indirect speech, if the direct speech is converted into the simple language, that is called indirect speech. So indirect speech, for the avoid confusion we need indirect speech. In simply we can learn, for avoid confusion we have to need a indirect speech. Okay, so now we will be learning, that is the direct speech and indirect speech, how it converted and how it will be work. Okay, direct speech is this, Yogesh said I am studying. It is the direct speech. But if we will convert into the direct speech to indirect speech, that is Yogesh said that he was studying. It is the difference. Inverted comma is out. First of all we mark, that is the inverted comma is out. Second is the tense is changed and the given sentence is become simple. So it is called the direct speech to indirect speech. Let's take or one example. Lina said I am wearing white skirt. It is the direct speech. If we will be converting to the direct to indirect speech, Lina said that she was wearing white skirt. So here also tense is changed. Also the inverted comma is out. It is the difference between direct speech and indirect speech. Today we simply learn the direct speech and indirect speech, and what is the definition of direct speech, indirect speech and narration, and what is its looks. But tomorrow we will be learning that is its better examples with the rules of the direct speech and indirect speech, and how it convert in any sentence, how we will be convert to direct to indirect speech, and with its more rule and criteria. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe, and lastly I would highly recommend you to see all those videos to benefit for you, because direct speech and indirect speech is related also the tense, verb, noun, pronoun, all. So if you see all those videos before, and then we will be connect this topic. So I would highly recommend you to see all those videos, then we will be benefit for that. Thank you.